Good morning, students. Today our topic is still life painting. Okay. Before painting, we need to draw that still life. Still life means actually arrangement of an object in one place. Okay. So arrangement of objects in one place. If we draw a single object, suppose you can see it here. Simple one. I will just draw one. A pot. Simply I will close it. I will add bit details to it. Then I can make it board. Then close it till here. This is a single object, right? Then if we want to add more objects, then it will become still life. Okay, we'll start with each and every object. Suppose we will take one leaf, where we'll draw leaf. Here we will draw one leaf, any leaf, it may be any leaf. Start it from center. Each and every leaf will have different shape. So I am not making any particular tree leaf. I am just making a leaf form like that. Just it. Done. Okay. Let's take one more. What we will make? We'll make a teapot. Right. Okay. We'll leave some space. Let's take teapot. This is a tip. Close it. Slowly, step by step, you make it. I am using CD marker here. You can use a normal drawing pencil for it. To look bright in this video, I am using it. So you can use the CD marker. If I use the pencil in this video, you can't see the proper lines. The lines will be very light. So that's why I choose the CD marker. So then again, step by step, close it. Right. And then make one line and one more line like this. Then here like this. Think everybody know the teapot. Close it till here. Then if you want, you can add some more details to it. Right. Then slowly close it like same line. Then here also we'll take little bit longer line here. Then so here in teapot I want to add some more objects. Here we did one object like a pot and one leaf. Here we are making one more object with two objects to make it a still life, right? So we'll add which fruits we will add. We will take orange. Two oranges we will take. Okay. So I will start the orange from here. I will take some baseline. It may be a half orange or full. You have to draw like this and leave it, and one more. Go on this line, nothing will happen. Afterwards you can erase this extra line. Then this orange will be front and this orange will be backside of this object, and these two oranges are overlapping the main teapot, right? So while drawing you have to check all these things, which is big object and which is front object, which one is overlapping another object. So you have to check all these things. Then we will close it simply and we will add small handle to it, simple one. Slowly we'll close it like this. Done. You can see, right? Now the teapot is done. So like this you can make so many objects. For example, we will take some fruits. Let's take the grapes. Simply for grapes, just take like this a circle and a small circle, and take like this again, one more, one more, one more, like this. Make a bunch of grapes. Okay, and for each and everything just give some line like this. So it should be a little bit realistic. Till now, from last classes, when we started our online classes, we started with pencil shading hatching technique. Slowly we learned collage. I think you people are practicing. You're practicing, I know. So practice it better. It's better for you. So now we used watercolor also in last 2 weeks. I showed the wet and wet medium, small landscape, and one board drawing with watercolors wet and wet technique. So I told you to use instead of black and white pencil for the shading, you can use color pencils also, right? So here we will use all those mediums. So this medium is called mixed medium. Till now we didn't practice charcoal and soft pastels, right? Slow. I will show you that demo also. Before that, in this class completely we will practice this single drawings and we will arrange it in one place. Okay. We'll add few more. Draw it slowly, nothing will happen. Don't use any circular objects. You can see here how I am making it. Like this. And make one more. Should give nice feel to the grapes. Then here the tip will be there, right? Slowly. and lines like this. It's not too complicated. This like this, can make like this. And leaves, if we done grape means we need leaves also. So similarly take one line, and grapes leaves will be little bit different and sharp from other fruit leaves. So you should observe each and everything. Suppose if a tomato is there in your home, you should keep it in front of you and observe it once a time. Which color is it in? Of course it is in orange, sometimes yellow, and few light green or tomato will also be there. So if you observe it may be a tomato, but it has the three shades. For even for grape also, we have the black grapes and the green grapes, right? So same grapes only, but different colors. So like leaves also, there will be have different kind of leaves. Mango leaf will be bigger, lotus leaf will be very bigger. So if we take flowers also, it will be like that only. So the coming to the still life painting or a drawing, the observation is the main important point. From where the starting point is starting, from where we have to start, we have to observe that one. Here we finish the grapes. Overall we finished one object. This bunch of grapes are called one object only. Please don't consider it as a still life. Okay. And this one also one object. This is also one object. And coming to our teapot, this is still life. Why? Because there are three objects are arranged together. So that's why it's called still life, right? So let's consider one object as a still. Okay, we arranged all the stills together and give certain position to it according to the size and everything. So we are arranging all the objects together, right? So this will become still life, means according to the size wise, according to the shape wise, which object is bigger, which object we have to keep it in front, which object we have to keep it back. We are composing it according to the size, according to the color and everything. So everything will comes under composition and still life. A good composition can be a good still life. If we arrange object properly according to the size wise, according to color and everything, what we have to place the front, what we have to keep it back, then our still life will be very good and very neat and clear also. So here I showed only 1, 2, 3 objects, and this is still life. So for this still life also, we can keep this pot here, but the pot may be bigger than the teapot, so we should draw it separately. Grapes, I draw the grapes bigger than this teapot, so grape size will be lesser than the teapot. So everything size and shape we should observe. Okay, so this is a basic thing for still life drawing. Okay, so you can take any medium for it. You can use color pencils or you can use normal black and white. It might be a soft pastel, it might be a watercolor, any medium. Still life has a different viewpoint in drawing. Okay, in drawing or painting, whatever it may be. So if we are keeping any object or anything in front of us, we have to observe it properly first of all, then only we can draw it. So that's why before drawing anything, please observe everything in your daily life also. In every home there will be having a banana, it might be a brinjal or everything. Please observe the shape of each and every fruit, vegetable, anything. So you can draw it easily, practice like that. So it might be very good practice for you, whatever you have in your home. In every home there will be a different plant, leaves, like that. Try to draw it, sit for a few minutes and observe it and draw it. So then only you can become the good artist, or you can become good still life artist. So if you want to draw the portraits or whatever, the perspective drawing, whatever it may be, so first of all the observation is very important. So we can start with these small things, then we can go for big. If we want to draw a portrait, we need to observe the eyes, everything, each and every object of the part of the body and everything. So if we start with these small things, it will be a better. So for this class, you follow with these drawings and everything. Please take the screenshots also for this 1 2 3 4 object 3 objects and one still life. So in next class, please try to arrange all these objects together. Okay, we will see how you people will do it. Just sit for an half an hour and try it. You will get, I know. So arrange it. If the teapot is big, okay, what is bigger than the teapot here? Pot. Please keep the pot at the back. In front of the pot you keep the teapot. In front of the teapot you keep the grapes, and I think leaf is no need. For the grapes only we have the leaf, and arrange these 2 oranges in front of the grapes. Okay, so then I will show you for same these drawings how to do the coloring, mixed medium. Okay, right? So which medium we will decide. We already practiced watercolor, right? So we will start with, first of all we will apply the watercolor for this. We will make it to dry it for some time. Then we will use color pencils to give details for it. Okay, we will give details, then that will become the mixed medium. Okay, so in next class what you have to take, watercolor. Think everyone have, we are practicing from the last 2 classes or 3. Color pencil. Okay, and compose all these things in one place. Okay, then only we can adjust the objects. Even I will draw all these objects together in next class and I will show you. Then we will start coloring and painting for it. Okay, so thank you. Please practice, and with this still life we can go for acrylic, even oil also we can make. If we are perfect with the watercolor, color pencil, even we can use the black pen also on it to give more details. Why? Because it's a mixed media. You can use any medias, right? Media means, you know, right? Medium or media means colors. Okay, it might be a watercolor or anything, poster or everything. Okay, thank you students. So please practice it. Thank you.